Sorry, I accidentally hit stop on the video, so we had to start all over again. So we're going to move on to that bottom section of it. So let me see, where did the thing go? Here it goes. So let's go ahead and move on to this bottom section. Let me make this a little bit smaller. All right, so we're going to look at this little graphic organizer on how to solve a system of equations. So the general idea is, since we have multiple methods, we want to be able to see the different methods and decide when is it more useful to use any of these methods. So we have the substitution method. We obviously have the other methods, which is the graphing method. And we have the elimination method. All right, so graphing method you would probably just use if they ever told you to actually graph and then you were given a actual graph to do it on. You probably wouldn't want to draw your own graph unless it's small numbers. So use when your equations are both in slope-intercept form, preferably. So you can want to use it when both equations are in slope-intercept form, preferably. If not, then you'd have to solve for x on your own, and your graph is provided. Substitution, you want to use it when one or both of the equations are in x equals form or y equals form. So again, if they're not, then substitution is not as convenient, because then you have to solve for x or have to solve for y before you can substitute. And the elimination method is useful. The best case scenario is when they're in standard form. And you want to solve by either multiplying one or both equations and then canceling out. And I think actually something's missing on this one. Let me figure out what it is. Hold on. So we want to use it in standard form, solve by multiplying one or both equations by a constant, meaning just a number. Sometimes they'll eliminate right away, and then where it got cut off here, eliminate. All right, so these are the three methods. There's actually a few other ones that you probably might see in Algebra 2 or College Algebra. And at the end of the day, the solutions are where the lines intersect at that XY point. And there can also be no solution or infinite solutions. All right, there's that practice page to work on. Go ahead. We don't need the S here.